And as a topic assigned to me, PUSA STFR meter. So that is PUSA soil test and fertilizer recommendation meter. That is a ICAR-IARI innovation. So actually that is mainly based on our one technology, that is our digital testing kit. So actually we will discuss why it is needed and how it is useful and what are the components and how we can generate entrepreneur from this unique innovation. So with this, as you all know about the our soil testing network in our country, so that is more than 1500 nowadays. Those are the static laboratory, and these laboratory mainly with our state agriculture department or fertilizer industry as well as our agriculture universities, and they are the responsible for catering the soil testing service to our farming community of our country. But as you know, we have a lot of farm holdings, so that is not sufficient to give soil testing service to each and every farm holdings. So most of this equipped laboratory, that is the another problem at district level, that they have facility only for macronutrients, that is we can say NPK, and with your pH, EC and organic carbon, but they don't have the facility of micronutrient analysis. That is the another problem with our static laboratory. As a result, farmers continue to use fertilizer in ad hoc manner, means without soil test. Majority, even till date, if we just take in account, then over 85 to 90% farmers still they are using ad hoc fertilizer recommendation, means without soil testing they are using. So that actually create a indiscriminate, inadequate use of fertilizer over the years without soil testing, lead to deterioration of soil fertility and result into low nutrient use efficiency. That is the major concern in our agriculture. Till date, actually we could not enhance or nutrient use efficiency. In terms of, if we talk about nitrogen, then we have only a 30 to 40% use efficiency in general. And in case of phosphorus, only 15 to 20%. In case of potash, we have 50 to 60%. And when we talk about our micronutrient, like your zinc, iron, copper, manganese, boron, then we have only 1 to 5% use efficiency. So remaining or chemical fertilizer is unused, or that may sometimes because some elements are volatile in nature, like our nitrogen, so that may get volatilized and create problem in our environment pollution. And sometimes actually that also leaches through our soil profile and contaminate our groundwater.